I want to show you how to create this shake transition in Premiere Pro. Go over to the project panel and right-click, select New Item, Adjustment Layer. Then accept the default settings and drag it above your clips on the timeline. Right-click the layer and select Speed/Duration. Then change the value to 10 frames and click OK. Place your adjustment layer so that it's perfectly centered between your two clips, like this. Go over to Effects and search for Transform and add it to your adjustment layer. From the start of the layer, go over to Effect Controls and scroll down to Transform. Then click the stopwatch icon next to Scale, Skew, and Skew Axis. Move your timeline slider to the center of the two clips and change Scale to 140, Skew to 10, and Skew Axis to a large amount. Now move to the end of the adjustment layer and reset the keyframe values for all three effects. Uncheck the Use Composition shutter angle and change the angle to 360.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.